Hello, my name is Chamis Mariwala. I did my BTech from Computer Technology and I achieved the university rank holder status in 7th semester, demonstrating my dedication in the academic rigor. Then I started my career with HCL Technologies, where I got the chance to work closely with JP Morgan's OPEX product team. My exceptional performance gave me a promotion. While seeking for the new opportunities, I got to work with Great American Insurance. One of my notable achievement was developing an application that saved the team's time. In 2017, I joined Sapient Global Markets, wherein I got the opportunity to work with State Street middle office team. As a quality analyst team lead, I successfully implemented the possession profit and loss, that's PPL, to the production environment using agile methodologies. However, in 2017, I had to quit my job due to personal and medical reasons. However, now I'm planning to restart my career and I was looking for proactive steps to upskill my career. I think this course has given me the chance to it has changed my perspective it has transformed my perspective from AI buzzword to the reality, what is going around. Earlier it was just a trendy term for us, we were hearing about this AI, what's going on. Now actually I can connect the dots and relate it to industry jargons. The faculty was amazing. They came up with the business use cases. They covered. I personally had experience in finance domain, but these faculties they covered all the domains: business, finance, healthcare. All the domains were covered and the use cases, and they also maintained a balance in technical as well as business part. I think the best part is I can now leverage AI skills in my finance domain, as well as like I told you, I was a quality analyst. I can also use these AI skills in my I can also use this as an automation tester, and maybe I can improve the test scores. Of course, I will recommend this course to most of my colleagues to whom I was working with. It will give them an opportunity to, AI is the future now. So we need AI in all the domains, be it finance or in any of the domains. So I would particularly suggest quality analysts to take up this course so that they can leverage these AI skills in automation testing.